Okay, what we have here are two prepackaged, self-contained, field-ready wood-fired heating plants. This is the latest product from GARN. It is aimed at a market in northern extremes of Canada and Alaska. Basically, these two units are built on a steel skid so that they can be pulled into place over terrain using a caterpillar or other type of tow vehicle. Once in place, you hook up a single point power source at a fuse disconnect at the back of the unit. At the far end of the unit, you can hook a supply and return, hot water supply and hot water return pipe to connect into a building and provide heating. After the electricity is hooked up and the two pipes are hooked up for heating supply, you fill the GARN unit with water and you're ready to operate. Add fuel and away you go. We're going to give you a little quick tour of these units before they ship out and give you an idea of how they operate and what they contain. We're inside one of the containerized units, and you'll notice a number of items here. This is the basic GARN unit. In this case, it's a custom designed 2,200 gallon unit. It uses our standard horizontal gasification technology, very clean unit, induced draft blower. In this particular case, where these two units are going, they want a limited amount of electric backup. So there's three 5.5 kW electric elements in here with the controls to control the elements. This is the digital controller for the wood heating unit itself. Once these are connected, obviously we have lights and stuff in the building. We have heat detectors, and because of that, we have a regular 200 amp electric panel with breakers for the safety of all the equipment that's in here. The wood is loaded into this area through the small overhead door by the pallet, utilizing a forklift, and the operator can take the wood and put it right inside the combustion chamber for the unit for burning. So this is the operator's end of this unit. There's an overhead door and there's a personnel door. The overhead door is normally shut when the unit's in operation. It's only open when wood is loaded in here. The wood fuel is loaded in here. These are made to burn cordwood, 24-inch long, 6-inch diameter. Anything above that you get 8, 10, 12-inch. You generally split it. So 6 to 7-inch cordwood is good wood for this. There's also a ventilation fan so that if the wood is wet, we can ventilate the space to prevent moisture condensing on the walls and stuff like that. All of the electrical in here is surface mounted conduit for easy service and tracking of circuits. This is the opposite end of the container from where we were before. That is the operator's end. This end of the container has the other equipment for interfacing the unit with a building that it's heating. In here we have a hot water supply pipe, goes down to a pump near the floor, into a water-to-water heat exchanger, and then back to the tank. The building system connects into the other side of the heat exchanger, so it can be isolated from the GARN unit. Can be glycol, can be whatever the people want. Also, what we have in here is the combustion air inlet for the GARN unit, access to the GARN unit if they ever need to get to the inside of the unit, and a ventilation air duct that allows the makeup air for the exhaust fan to maintain a relative humidity within the space. Pretty simple space, not very complicated, easy to service, fairly compact package.